So I'm going to do an unboxing of Little Justice Leaders. It just arrived, and you open the box. Looks like this. Oh, and I got a note. Thank you. And it comes with a letter. Let me just check out the note. Oh, it says, "Thank you for taking time to review the box. We are so grateful that you support our work and mission. Enjoy, Shelby." And I think it's great. Something that helps promote social justice. I think that's definitely needed right now. And so this what is included. This, believe there is good in the world. Okay, I love that. And I'm not sure what this is. It is, I think it's just a card. It's not a sticker. And then there's this, which is a scroll, like maybe a poster. Can we just pull that apart with my teeth? And oh, this is great. Here, I'll put this down. It is a Malcolm X poster. Wow, that's nice. I like that a lot. And then inside there are some markers, which I assume is for perhaps a coloring thing, and a blank book. So maybe that is for an exercise. And these interesting dice. Not sure what that is. Like more markers. Let's post that here. And then these note cards, which are, let's see, tips for parents. So this is good, kind of notes and instructions for discussing with your child. Conversation starters. So this is good, it's kind of a discussion guide. And there's the built-in history lesson, and this one is on civil rights leaders. So this would be perfect for MLK Day or even Black History Month. And then, which is nice, is some action steps. So kind of to take what you learn and apply it. A card on Black Lives Matter. So everything on the, so it's like a one-sided information, and then on the back, notes. And then, oh great, this is what I love, a book list. Okay, so let's just look at these books carefully. So it looks like picture books and books for adults. And oh, Fred Korematsu, I like that book a lot. So nonfiction, picture books, looks like. I don't know all of these books. That's great. And then here is, looks like another, looks like a photo album. Could be another blank book. So let me get this one open. Yep, blank book. Oh, and then there is an actual book by Newbery author Julius Lester. Let's talk about race. Oh, this is great. And so you have all the tools to talk about race. Honestly, I'm still not sure what these dice are for. But if I figure it out, I would include it in the comments below. So I'm going to gift this package and send it out again. And if you want to win it, just leave me a comment below in this YouTube video, and you can get this package sent to you. Thank you.